Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. And for today's video, we will be making a baseball-inspired charcuterie board. I thought of this idea because near Schaumburg there's a stadium, Wintrust Field, and the Schaumburg Boomers play there. And me and my mom go there all the time. I thought it'd be perfect, so let's get started. If you do not know how a charcuterie board works, it's basically you have a whole bunch of random assorted items, depending on the theme of your charcuterie board, and then you place them all into one big board. Usually it's a wooden board, but I don't have that with me, so I'm going to be using a nice platter, and that's basically how that works. Let's get started with our ingredients. Regular white cheddar popcorn, kettle corn, peanuts, Cracker Jack, chocolate dipped Oreos, red cookie icing, baked pretzels. So with that, let's get started with our first step. So for our first item of our charcuterie board, we have our chocolate dipped Oreos, and we are going to be making baseball Oreos. So I have my red cookie icing, and to make our baseball cookies, we are going to make 2 lines on the side of our cookie, and then we're going to make some stitches on those lines, and then you have your baseball cookie. And this will be our first item on the charcuterie board. Now that we have our baseball cookies done, we are going to move on to our baked pretzels. A good rule of thumb when making a charcuterie board is that you want the biggest stuff that you have in the back, and then you want the smaller stuff in front. When making a charcuterie board, try your best to make it look as cute as possible. For our next ingredient on our charcuterie board, we have our 3 types of popcorn. We have our classic white cheddar popcorn, we have kettle corn, and then we have our Cracker Jack. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have my white cheddar popcorn off to the side in a big bowl, and then I will serve that along with our charcuterie board. And then I'm going to add our kettle corn and our Cracker Jack. Then I'm going to add in our kettle corn. And now that we have our popcorn added to our charcuterie board, we're going to move on to our last ingredient, which is our peanuts. We have our finished charcuterie board. Thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!